What do the numbers on your engine oil bottle actually mean? You've probably seen OW40 and 5W30, but what's the real difference, and which one is right for your car? Let's break it down with facts, not marketing fluff. Multigrade oils like these are designed to work across a wide range of temperatures. That first number with the W stands for winter. It tells you how well the oil flows when it's cold. A lower number, like the 0, west -40, means the oil is thinner and flows better in freezing temperatures. This is crucial for protecting your engine during a cold start. The second number, the 40 or 30, tells you the oil's viscosity or thickness. When your engine is at its normal hot operating temperature, around 100 degrees Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit. So a OS40 oil acts like a super thin zero-weight oil when it's cold, flowing quickly to protect vital engine parts right from startup. But once the engine heats up, it maintains the protective thickness of a heavier 40-weight oil. On the other hand, a 5W30 also offers great cold start protection, but it's slightly thicker than the O West oil at low temperatures. When the engine is hot, it maintains a slightly thinner 30-weight viscosity. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button right now. It's actually shocking, but over 95% of people who watch these videos don't subscribe, even though the info here can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Subscribing is totally free for you, but it makes a huge difference for me and helps me keep bringing you the kind of content that dealers and repair shops might not want you to see. Thanks for your support. Now, let's compare OW40 and 5W30 head-to-head. When it comes to cold starts, OW40 has a clear advantage, especially if you live in a place with extremely cold winters. Its superior fluidity means it can lubricate your engine's critical components almost instantly, significantly reducing wear and tear during those first few crucial moments after you turn the key. What about high temperatures? If you're driving in hot weather, towing a heavy trailer, or just have a bit of a lead foot, oh, the 40 pulls ahead again. Its higher operating temperature viscosity, that 40 number, means it creates a thicker, more durable oil film that better resists breaking down under extreme heat and pressure. This provides superior protection when your engine is working its hardest. But here's where 5W30 shines. Fuel economy. For your average daily commute in moderate conditions, 5W30 generally offers better gas mileage. Because it's slightly thinner at high temperatures, it creates less internal engine drag. This improves the engine's mechanical efficiency, which can translate to a small but noticeable increase in miles per gallon over time. It's a trade-off between ultimate protection and maximum efficiency. While both oils are excellent at protecting engines from wear, OW40 typically offers enhanced protection in extreme situations. Think high-performance engines, turbocharged cars, or vehicles operating in harsh environments. Its oil film strength and sheer stability, its ability to resist thinning out under mechanical stress, are generally superior. This makes it a go-to for enthusiasts who push their vehicles to the limit. Compatibility is another huge factor. You'll often see OW40 recommended by European car manufacturers for their performance and luxury vehicles. It meets some of the most demanding OEM specifications, like Mercedes-Benz MB 229.5. Porsche A40. Conversely, 5W30 is the workhorse of the oil world. It's commonly specified by American and Japanese automakers for their everyday cars, trucks, and SUVs. It meets popular standards like Ford WSSM, GM's Dexos 1, and ILS-ACGF6. This makes it perfectly suited for daily drivers, hybrids, and economy-focused vehicles that operate in more moderate climates. Let's talk about oil change intervals. Because OW40 is almost always a full synthetic oil, it's often formulated for an extended service life. Depending on your car's manufacturer and your driving habits, you might see recommended intervals of 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers, or roughly 6,000 to 9,000 miles. 5W30 oils, which also come in synthetic blends, are usually recommended for more standard intervals, typically around 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers, or 5,000 to 7,500 miles. What if you have a turbocharged engine? The intense heat and pressure from a turbo put a massive strain on engine oil. Here again, OW40 is a very strong performer. It's engineered to withstand these elevated temperatures without breaking down. While many modern 5W30 oils are also rated for turbo use, The OW40 generally offers a greater safety margin under prolonged thermal stress. The most important rule, however, is this: always consult your vehicle's owner's manual. Your car's manufacturer has spent millions on research and development to determine the exact oil viscosity your engine needs. Using a grade that isn't recommended can lead to a whole host of problems: increased engine wear, reduced fuel efficiency, issues with your emission system, and it could even void your vehicle's warranty. Modern cars have sophisticated sensors that can sometimes detect the wrong oil viscosity and trigger a warning light. So let's put this into practice. You will commonly find OW40 as the factory fill or recommended oil for vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz E-Class and high-performance AMG models, the BMW M Series, the Porsche 911 and Cayenne, and European spec Volkswagen GTs. It's the choice for high-end demanding engines. Meanwhile, 5W30 is the oil of choice for a huge number of mass-market vehicles. We're talking about the Toyota Camry and Corolla, the Honda Accord and Civic, the Ford F-150 with an EcoBoost engine, the Chevy Silverado and Malibu, and many Mazda sedans. It's the standard for reliable, everyday transportation. To summarize it all, OW40 is your go-to for superior protection in both freezing cold starts and extreme heat. It's ideal for performance engines, turbocharged systems, and for drivers in harsh or highly variable climates. 5W30, on the other hand, offers better fuel efficiency for daily driving and is widely recommended for standard engines in more temperate environments. Ultimately, choosing the right oil isn't about which one is better in a vacuum. It's about what's best for your specific car, your local climate, and your personal driving style. Always start with your owner's manual, and then you can use this information to make the most informed decision. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense car care advice. See you in the next one.